Because the rest of them.
Okay, the Health, Hospitals, and Social Services Committee will now come to order. Today is December 4th, and I do detect a quorum. And the first item on the agenda is Resolution 2018-1500. Virtue and Gilmore, the sponsors, approves an intergovernmental agreement between the Tennessee Department of Health and the Metro Board of Health to provide child fatality review services in the sudden death of the young SIDS in children under age 19 investigated by the medical examiner's office. And I do have a letter from the sponsors asking for approval. Do I have a motion?
So moved.
Second.
All right. Tom, you want to tell us a little bit about this?
I'm looking for the numbers. I just got them earlier today. So this came up in the child death review is a fairly large group of folks. It's the health department, the hospitals, the police, Department of Children's Services. It's done under the aegis of a state law that allows this group to get together and look at what would otherwise be protected health information. And they see why young folks are dying, and then try to figure out if there's a systemic issue that needs to be addressed or if it's just something out of anybody's control. This SDY portion of it, the sudden death in the young, they focus on deaths that are not, it's not obvious what happened unless it's a drowning. They're looking for things that involve the heart, lungs, and the brain. And then they give those a little bit greater scrutiny, and if they still can't resolve it by trying to look at what evidence they have, they can refer it to the state health department, and they can do like tissue sample tests that's taken at the time of autopsy and try to really figure out what happened to those kids.
All right. Any other discussion? All in favor?
Aye.
All right, none against, so motion passes. Next is RS 2018-1501, Virtue and Gilmore sponsors, accepts a grant from the Dorothy Kate and Thomas F. Frist Foundation to the Metro government for the use and benefit of the Metro Nashville Social Services Commission, Metro Homeless Impact Division, to benefit the House Nashville program. And I do have letters from both sponsors asking us to approve. Do I have a motion?
Motion. Second.
All right. Seconded. You want to tell us a little?
This $10,000 grant is a recurring grant that they're giving us, checking in if we still need it. It's for moving costs assistance. We use it, usually we use government dollars and CDBG funds to help people move in up to $1,000 per household as needed, and it's really the most vulnerable people that experience homelessness transitioning into housing. And at the end of the budget year, usually we need a cushion just to get us through until funding is back available and all the other funds up.
Any other discussion? Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
All right, motion passes. We do have another resolution, RS 2018-1511. Council Lady Allen is the sponsor, recognizes Dr. Bill Paul for his service to Nashville and Davidson County as the Director of Health. And don't have anything from Council Lady Allen.
I signed on.
You did sign on to it? Okay, good.
Well, I need to.
All right.
She's got it
sounds
out
good.
there.
Okay.
So moved.
Second.
Any discussion?
I just want to say that I really thank Dr. Paul for his leadership and for the support that he's had of the community. He's definitely been with Metro General and with Meharry Medical College as a professor at Meharry, and he's extended his knowledge not only just for the health department but throughout the city of Nashville, and for that we are thankful for the 11 years, I think, that he's been with us.
I second that.
Very well said.
Very well said. Any other discussion?
I have a question.
Go ahead.
I understood that there was going to be sort of a formal presentation of this resolution. Does anybody know if that is set?
That has to be arranged with Danielle in the council office. We have so many resolutions that we can put on the agenda a night. And so I'll get with her with you and
Berkeley had mentioned the 15th of January. I've cleared he will be available that night if that is the one you choose. If it's not, let me know.
Okay.
All right. Any other comments? All in favor? Did we vote already?
Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? All right. Motion passes. Any other new business before we adjourn?
I'd love for everybody to come to the menorah
All right,
lighting. I'm
motion.
gonna go freeze my tail.
I'll take a motion to
That's at
adjourn.
5. Thank you.
We're adjourned.
Second.
Yes.
Do we have convention, Sharon?